43 Profound Quotes About Life. Each of us has our own life, no one is the same. Therefore, do not compare or be jealous of anyone. Instead, live well, persevere with your goals to move forward. Even though you know that life has many challenges that you must overcome, don't falter because tomorrow will still be bright. When you feel mentally exhausted, try reading a good book or, simply and quickly, read the profound quotes about life below. 1. Life will be much gentler when people know how to put themselves in each other's shoes. 2. Don't just because someone looks strong, doesn't mean everything is okay. Even the strongest people need a friend to cry on. Marry someone you like to talk to, because as you get older, you will discover that liking to talk is a great advantage. 3. Your friends won't need you to explain anything, but your enemies won't believe you no matter how much you explain. Just do what you know and your heart is right. 4. Smart people are people who can hide their intelligence. 5. Many things we long to have come at a high price. But the truth is, what truly makes us satisfied is completely free, love, laughter, and moments of diligently pursuing our passions. 6. Don't take appearances seriously because they can deceive you. Don't take wealth seriously because it can fade away. Be with someone who knows how to make you smile, because only a smile can turn a sad day into a happy one. 7. In this life, only you understand yourself best. Not your mother, not your lover, not your best friend, not a fortune teller, but you. So be alert before suffering and gentle before happiness. Happiness and suffering are due to our mind. 8. One careless word can cause discord. One cruel word can ruin a whole life. A well-timed word can reduce stress. A word of love can bring happiness. 9. Always put yourself in other people's shoes. If in that position you feel pain, the other person will probably feel the same way. 10. Don't lower your self-worth by comparing yourself to others. That's because each of us is completely different, we are independent individuals with unique talents. 12. Don't let life slip through your fingers by dwelling on the past or daydreaming about the future. Enjoy life in every moment, you will feel like each day passes completely. 13. Don't rush through life so quickly that you forget where you came from and where your destination will be. 14. The past is history. The future is a miracle. The present is a gift of life, that's why we call it a precious gift. 15. Between success and failure there is a river of hardship, on that river there is a bridge called effort. 16. Going against the crowd means you are either extremely smart or extremely stupid. 17. When all else is lost, the future remains. 18. Stand firm and don't think you will fall, you will never fall. 19. People are not born to disappear like an anonymous grain of sand. They were born to leave their mark on the earth, to leave their mark in the hearts of others. 20. I don't believe anyone is not sad at times, I don't believe anyone is always happy. 21. God gives everyone 24 hours, and the value of those 24 hours is up to each person to decide for themselves. 22. The most important thing in life is choice. 23. As a person, you must be confident, but not so confident that you are arrogant. As humans, we should be humble, but not so humble that we lose our self-confidence. 24. Life, even if there are 1,000 reasons to make you cry, you still have to find 1,000,000 reasons to keep smiling. 25. You cannot control the direction of the wind, you can only control the sails. You don't need to see all the steps, you just need to take the first step with faith. 26. It seems that the older we get, the more choices we have to make than when we were children. It's not just about choosing what we like. Things become more complicated and there is always a parallel hesitation. In the end, no matter which path we choose, we will still be hurt. 27. In this world, there are many things that are eternal, but absolutely, love is not one of them. 28. In everyone's heart there are many doors, sad thoughts, sometimes it is not necessary to open them wide for everyone to see. 29. Everyone has their own difficulties, their own helplessness, some deadlocks and times of fear. Instead of giving each other empty advice, we should find someone who is secure enough, peaceful enough to say we are tired, lean our head on the other person and cry. Everyone has been weak many times but no one dares to admit it, only pretending to be tough. Then over the years without seeing yourself. 30. I think, in the end, life is just a separation. But the most painful thing is not having time to say goodbye. 31. In life, no one wants to become a bad person, everyone wants a life with their heads held high, not ashamed of others, not ashamed of themselves. But sometimes life doesn't go as expected, sometimes people have to live a double life in exchange for the word peace. 32. If pain is shared, the pain will lessen, if pain is buried deep, the pain will multiply. Open your heart to share with someone because at least you will find some peace in your soul. 33. I think the purpose of life is to be useful, responsible, respected and loved. Above all, what really matters is, live for someone, for something and make your own mark on this world. 34. Sometimes you need to go away, not for someone to realize your place in their heart, but for you to understand and realize your own value. 35. Don't spend time defeating a wall, hoping to turn it into a door. 36. Human life is impermanent, the future is unpredictable, live well, be grateful and appreciate the good things you have in the present. 37. Theater is like life. It challenges people's ability to improvise, accumulated from life experiences. 38. Like wildflowers, learn to survive in adversity, even when people think you can't. 39. Want to know about past lives? See the enjoyment of this life. Want to know the results of the next life? Look at the work of this life. 40. Actions create forgetfulness. Habits create character. Personality creates destiny. 41. Don't choose a big lover because of loneliness. That's irresponsible and unfair to both of them. Find a soulmate, not a lover. 42. The first blames self, the later blames others. 43. Don't try to balance work and play. Instead, make your work your joy. 44. Life itself is a wonderful fairy tale. 45. The real test is not to tell you whether you can avoid failure, because it is inevitable. The test tells you whether you let failure make you feel miserable or ashamed for not taking action, or whether you learn from it by choosing to persevere in pursuing your goal. 47. Love the life you live. Live the life you love. 48. Confidently pursue the path your dream has outlined. Live the life you've imagined. 49. Dreams are, after all, a form of planning. Deep sayings about conquering goals. Once you have set your goals, it is important to strive for success. Of course there will be obstacles on the journey ahead, but the quotes from famous people below can become profound captions for you to post on social networks to encourage others and also for yourself. 1. Don't wish things were easier. Wish it would make you better, Jim Rohn. Always remember that your determination to succeed is more important than anything else. Abraham Lincoln. 2. I find that the harder I work, the luckier I get. Thomas Jefferson. 3. I never dreamed of success, I worked for it. Estee Lauder. 4. For all reasons impossible, there are hundreds of people who have faced similar situations and succeeded. Jack Canfield. 5. Success is going from failure to failure without losing enthusiasm. Winston Churchill. 6. I attribute my success to this. I have never made or received any excuses. Florence Nightingale.